Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brittany and Lindsay live from ETA Hand to Mind, and we are excited to share with you a hands-on fractions lesson, lesson number 4, subtract mixed numbers from our 5th grade hands-on standards book.
Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to be demonstrating today would actually come after you set the stage and build background knowledge for your students. Okay, you can see here a preview of what that would look like. Everything is ready for you so that you know exactly what to do. What we want to show you today and model is what you would actually be modeling as an activity for the whole class. It's really introducing the concept of subtracting mixed numbers by using common denominators. Let's get started. So the problem we're starting with is 1 1/2 minus 1 1/3. What we're going to do first is have our students actually build these mixed numbers, a whole and then part of another whole, so that they can see and compare the two different fractions that we're working with. So first we're going to build 1 1/2, and next we're going to show 1 1/3. And what you would do is have a discussion about how you can't subtract when you don't have common denominators. So you would have a discussion with your students, and there are prompts here for you, things you can ask, things that you can say, about what a good denominator would be. When you have your students look at the denominators of 2 and 3, they will come to the conclusion that using 6 would be a great common denominator. Of course, there's other options too, but we're going to model today using 6 to find a common denominator so that we can subtract these different fractions. So first, let's see how many 6 would be equivalent to 1 1/2. Okay, so here we have 6/6, which obviously is the same as 1 whole. And then your students would build to see what would then make it equivalent to 1 1/2. We can see here that that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/6, being the same as 1 1/2. Have your students write that down. Let's do the same for 1 1/3. Here's 1 1/3. We know that 6/6 equals 1 whole, and then your students would build on to find the equivalent to 1 1/3. So for that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/6 equivalent to 1 1/3. Now we can subtract because we have matching common denominators. This part makes it so much simpler for your students because what's 9 minus 8? 1, and we know that our denominators just stay the same. Our answer would be 1/6. From this point, when you model this, you could do a couple of other examples using the manipulatives to show your students how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction with the same common denominators. And then students would rotate through guided practice as well as reinforcement activities. You can see different options for that, both for independent practice and for revisiting the concept and reteaching if you need to for some of your students who might need that reinforcement. And it's that simple. Everything you need is right here, both activity pages and what you would be doing with these awesome hands-on manipulatives ready to go, straight from Hands-On Standards Fractions, Grade 5. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to keep watching because we will have this lesson and other awesome fraction lessons available for free download. And next week we're going to give you a sneak peek at a brand new product that's really exciting, and we know you're going to love it. So keep coming back for more videos just like this to help you in your classroom with hands-on learning tools. Thank you. Bye.